Homemade claws are put on the legs, it is easier to climb with them. Gardener removes unnecessary branches with an electric secator. Auger feeds corn evenly. Builders leveling the slab with melting foam. Builders with the help of the wheel made the vault of the building. Builder draws the vault of heaven. With such a builder, work is done faster. With the help of such a device, the block is evenly separated. Builders work quickly and efficiently. If you have so you can fill it with a liquid screed. With this device you can remove excess hair from the horse. With the help of such a life hack you can make an emery nozzle. The builder evenly apply markings on the treadmill with a machine. A tree crusher destroys the tree in a matter of seconds. Stone crusher destroys stone in seconds. The builder applies a protective layer of the floor. Excavator with light movement removes ice. The self-taping screw can be screwed into hard-to-reach places easily with the flexible shaft. This roller conveyor is transformable and very convenient. the hat is broken in a nail and you don't know how to get it out, you can use this life hack. Thanks to this life hack, you can make a hole in plastic. Thanks to such a device, it is possible to fix the animal in order to remove excess growths from the hoof or fill a horseshoe. With the help of such a device, you can make a mark of the plinth. Thanks to such a device mounted on a perforator, you do not have to collect and breathe building dust. Thanks to such a device installed on the excavator bucket, the trench is dug in an unusual way. Nozzle installed on road equipment does a good job. A store can be made from a shipping container. The machine does a good job of destroying stumps. Villagers without the use of machinery in this way separate sunflower seeds. Strong water pressure can remove paintwork.